between the rafters on the boys' quarters. Good morning, sirs. My uncle. Good morning, sir. I see no mboso ne ko all no na agwo oga. Can boso all na agwo. Nyem time because any dey make one dey ga measure the thing. So you know we go to shape how you measure when. Okay. Oh, henchore. Hey. I'm that boy. See my island. Yeah. This is how I'll be keeping it. To have rollers, no?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's even like
vanish. Mosquito killer.
Mother, how many steps are you looking at?
How many can you give me?
What I have, like, I only give us
2. Just give me the one on the floor. And then, because that's what on the floor, we'll be keeping rice there.
Yeah.
We don't want the rice to be on the floor. Gong.
Yes.
Okay, so that one is important to me. Then another one, and if there's another one, fine.
That's give you like, let me see. It's 2 steps, okay.
This one and another one.
Yeah, this one.
The one on the floor. 1.
One on the floor.
And 1 here.
And 1 here.
Okay. If it's not up to 3, no problem.
All true.
All true, yeah. It needs to be all true. Yeah, if it's 2 that you can give. Yeah. Kazim, hello. You see what happened now? I called the market. They said we shouldn't come. Wait, you want to talk?
No, nothing. I just.
You know, say any day you know talk to me. You know they're happy. Hey, madam, what you want show me? What you want say?
No, I just intention the water.
The shower uncle. Because yesterday I opened tap, no water. I was like, does it mean that the water that we put here is finished?
No. You know, so we don't. Since now, I do some things now. Then you will buy some
issues. What's in be this?
Now water, now we pressure test.
So now why it pour everywhere?
When this one don't come out everywhere, they come out.
Kasi, you know, say this screen, you know they like. No, I don't want story. I don't want story with pressure here. All this water now go mop this place. No, this thing is not pressure. This thing is not pressure. Oh yeah, open shower, let I see. Kazim, you know say this shower supposed to fall like rain.
Enter there.
Oh, enter where? You enter. This thing don't get pressure.
Madam, if you say this
open this one, open this telephone one, make I see.
If you say this one,
no, hold on for hand.
I be the water where they the tank.
No be water where they the tank.
No, this thing no get pressure now. This thing no get pressure.
Madam,
I don't want here.
If you want this pressure pass like this,
they talk I'm on camera. If I want waiting.
If the pressure will pass like this, may they just hide the tank. My own supply don't come out neatly.
High tank.
Yes. See wait, up connection will be like this.
So you're saying that down is more than this? Is that what you're telling me now?
Down is more than this. Then if we open them, like
so if this thing na 2-story building, waiting for happen?
Should be those high buildings. Now 2 things. If they don't want to put tank for up, we go put pressure pump down. So I don't explain for you before. Pressure pump, then we will push all the water.
Kazim,
this one still okay, madam. This one like this, when you open water for up, when you be like this, it's still okay.
My people, make una follow me, George. This thing is high pressure. This thing. You know when you open this tap highest, it's supposed to water supposed they chase you. They go.
Make I tell you, if you want make water chase you, that will go in the top. This one, I see go to the camera, give the level of the scaffold. No, you can't tell anybody. Say
I beg leave level of scaffold. I don't see level of scaffold type.
If it's achieve this kind of water here, this top says no better. That way the top and pressure pump.
See, they close the top. This one, the painter can feel it, no? I better call painter for me. Somebody call painter for me. Make we discuss how we go do this thing. Call John too. John, the wardrobe guy.
The wardrobe.
Let's do meeting.
You don't let me so good.
You back now. You know, no be tell me make I enter. I said make you enter.
Me, I don't use my head test all the one when I.
Okay, use your head tester. Now use your body tester.
She go come, she go say she make her put my head.
Make you put your head. See, Cousin, when did we start working together? This guy, I sabi your well, you sabi me well. Like Cousin go there and I tell him, I don't go like this thing, and I don't go like him, like.
Before she come, I know say she.
Before I come, you go say, Madam, I know say you don't go like this.
She won't come talk. I don't know for myself.
Okay, discuss. John, what did you use to hold it? Gum. Did you use gum to hold it, or you just put it in?
No, you screw it.
You screw it, okay, from inside, so it's firm. So, painter, what are you going to use to fill it?
I will use POP cement, and seal it up.
Okay, you use POP cement and seal all the tiny holes.
Oh, yes.
Okay, so everything will work out fine. Is that what you're saying? Okay. Sorry, that's what I wanted to know. So that everybody will be here when we film. So that we know. It looks better. It looks better that way. I prefer it's better this way. Nobody will notice. I know that your eyes are thick, but nobody will notice this tiny thing.
When you feel it, you also look more.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, nobody like that tiny difference. Nobody will notice it. It's better this way so that your job will be perfect.
All of them.
All of them.
They will not do a bad plan. Let me look. I have.
Okay, prime me here. Hey! I'm going to be there. My room is almost ready. This is primer.
This primer.
Not even first coat.
Not first coat.
Wow. Man, this camera is not even doing this justice. So bright and angelic. See Kazim smiling. Hey! Kazim. Kazim is so happy for me. Yes. This is the smallest room. They gave me the smallest room in the house. You use this to know it, no? The sign of the house because of the other video, no? So you no go cook tomorrow? Huh? You go eat outside tomorrow for the first time. This boy does not miss cooking. This is the guy, the screening team. See his science of washing pots. See, sand plus detergent. He's packing for tomorrow. He hasn't finished, but he's already packing. Probably he's missing home. Who will not miss? Do you know there was a time they left this guy here for 1 week? Alone. Yeah. There was no job going on because his teammate went for a burial in their country. Is it Benin or Togo that he went that time? Togo.
The next day.
Ala bia kwe pan ihe echi o. Muna he okuchago nke am. Si na bi pan echi. Pan nkan lekwu. Okwa ngwa ha kita ha na asị na ha na-achi itinye ego n'ihe na. Ọ bụ na ego hia taa na by tomorrow ego etinye. Ọ ga-abịa ha na-abịa ya beta. Ya bịa mesho ya bịa panwa. Ọkwa ịba na nle record. Ọ dị on record. Na isi ha bịa panwa. Maka na mgbe ọ bịara echi m kwụkwasa ha panwa la da emezi erikpo n'imi ya wee je ka osi gị. Cheka mbịagoro ka mama ma rigote nwune n'ebe ahụ. Fuebo budo. See how they actually if we the parapet, he had a rest in a parapet. Okay. Because I must say or her rest in a parapet. So I saw me set there for the first time. Okay, this wood now that you see here is the beam. This is where the roof rests, not on the parapet. Choir? Yeah. Okay, so that is what they mean when they say that the roof does not actually rest on the parapet. You see, the weight of the roof is here. Because there's a beam here. That's the weight of the roof. If you look on that side as well, you see it. That one that is out there is just for fancy. It doesn't carry the weight, but this is the actual place that the weight is. So this is what they mean when they say, if you look on the other side as well, it's resting on the beam. I'm sorry, I can't climb more. So this is actually where the roof rests, not on the parapet. That's why it's only parapet. Look at 1 week now. Olube, Saturday it's only Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. We're 4 days now after they did the parapet. This is the parapet in here, so they can put the roof because it rests on the beam. It's been longer they did the beam. See the rafters. So they're going to do this basket now. They're weaving this basket, these crossings. I'm going to do that right round. Yeah, almost done. So I called the roofing sheets company, and they told me that I told them to bring someone today because they haven't finished, but the outline is there. The roof outline is there, and that's what they need to measure the roof of your house and give you a quote. And they just told me that there will be a price increase from tomorrow. Yeah. You know, as the dollar is increasing, everything is increasing, so we need to rush before their old price that they've been using for 2 years now or something. Yeah, it's about to go up, so they're coming today. If possible, they'll supply it tomorrow and actually do it tomorrow. It's the carpenters that are holding them. As soon as they finish, they can start putting the sheets, the roofing sheets. You see? The painter has done his magic. John, the wardrobe guy, closed it with a strip of wood, and the painter did the final touch of closing it with. Painter, can you hear me here? He uses POP. Oga, I can interview you with Mama Iti. Oga is busy. He's too busy for the interview, you know. All these multi-million-dollar men, they don't have time for interviews. He's busy. So he did a wonderful job. You guys have met my painter before now in Lagos, but I'll reintroduce him. So it looks good now. It's much better this way than leaving that opening that was there before. Spiders and cockroaches would have gone in there to build their own apartments. This is why you need to be here on site to make certain decisions, because yeah, even some professionals cannot make this kind of decision for you, because yeah, once the person that is doing it says, oh, leave it like that because this is there, and they say, okay, leave it like that. But if you're there, at the end of the day, you're the one that will live in the house. So there are some certain finishing decisions that you can take. Yeah, you don't have to be a professional to take that kind of decision. So beauty is in the eye of the beholder. If you don't like it, you can say, no, you guys need to do something about it. And look at how the painter has transformed that hole now. So yeah.
The next day,
the rafters are done. The guys are here to measure the roofing. Yeah, they take the measurement, then they can bring the estimate for the roofing. So the guy is climbing up. He's already up there, Osa. So we're going to measure it and then tell you how many square meters you need. Guru ko si aga biko. Gwa atunda. See? They come and pour tape for you. Yeah. I don't know if you can see the sun. I'm gonna do Spider-Man.
You want me well? Ah, I think that.
Otika azachalụ m azụ nọ mbe mo. Otika ya emebe na ọchafu. See, all those plantains are gone, almost gone. Kazim. What will be your plan here?
Side lights.
Wall bracket?
Yes.
For what now?
I feel block them down. Maybe we don't put anything. But it's good to put wall brackets because if they turn them to room.
Turn them to room?
Now I won't convert anything, so that one go there.
How many you put? For one room? Two, okay. 2 wall bracket, 1 POP light, like 6 watts or 12 watts or something like that.
It can be 12 watts. If you now only POP light, you won't put for now.
No put drop light, oh, no put POP drop light, just POP white light.
No, nothing like drop light now.
No
now
drop. Not drop light, spotlight. No put spot.
Ordinary POP light, that round one, like
the white one.
the white one.
You go put them for center.
Center.
And then you put
2 wall brackets.
this wall bracket where they put the expenses for me. This thing na simple room now. Na simple room.
If I don't do this thing like this, you know good. AC go there.
AC. Cause if I catch you on that AC, I go mama you. Which AC? I beg you. You don't say this place na store. This one na room. So na boys quarter. Which kind AC? The only AC you won't put. Why you no won't put central heating? And what else they put? TV like DSTV, no?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, put on now.
For the 2 places.
No, we don't need it. Okay, put it there because tomorrow we can change our mind. Put TV. Put sockets.
I get to 2 that place. I get 2 sockets. Yeah,
2 sockets. Is it double?
If you na double, you put double.
Double.
That place na double. Here na single. I plan for bedside.
Put double here.
No
put double.
No.
Because the person fit plug fan here and plug another thing there. You understand?
So you say no AC. Now you talk say no AC.
I say no AC, Kazim. Which kind of AC?
If we did during time of
hot weather. Where the light for the AC now?
I never put on my one. I did.
No, where the light no they did. I don't date for this village, you know. I make provision for it now. Who knows?
Is it?
Make provision for them.
It's not good to do this kind of. Even if you never put AC. Do wiring of AC.
You go cover them. You go cover the hole.
For years, you feel decide anything there.
Yeah.
So you don't go to call electrician, make them come over here.
Good advice. Now why they talk about? Now why they bring you from Lagos all the time? Come on, say. Very soon we will give you chieftaincy title. We will make you ballet for here. Hey, Kazim, you see how this place don't they shine now already?
Yes.
They don't they see your tank very well.
Yes.
Because this thing cover on too much. This place is almost clear now. Looking good. So far so good. Let them remove it so that I can plant my fruits. See them down there. See them here. I have my fruits here. So I want them to clear up this place. That's why That's where my orchard will be. My orchard. It's the end of the work day. I've been here since 7 a.m. Yeah. Look at what they're doing here. Keeping these palm stuff here. No. This is not possible now. This is not possible. There's a plan to come and take it out. Because this whole place will be cleared later. Then later we'll start paying another person to come and clear it. Hey, look at what these people did here, people. No. No way, no way, no way. That's not going to happen, eh? No. When this thing decays now, the whole place will be smelling. No way.